I know I look a little crazy, but that is pretty much it, okay? So tweak this recipe to whatever works for you. It's best to keep it on for about 20 minutes or longer, and go ahead and rinse with cool or warm water. Okay, it's up to you. Warm definitely helps it to come off faster, and the cold and the coolness have lots of good benefits for the skin and still gets it off. So it's really up to you. I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I'm going to let this sit because my face is actually itching. So I really wanted to, you know, do its magic. So I will check back in about 20 to 30 minutes just to see how the first, how it worked out the first time. So I'm super excited for this mask. I think I am going to be incorporating it. All right, so I'll see you in about 20 to 30 minutes.